Guilin, a city nourished by mountains and waters for thousands of years, has long been celebrated with the centuries-old praise, "East or west, Guilin landscape is best." This timeless saying serves as the most precise annotation for this extraordinary city. Nestled in the northeastern part of Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, China, Guilin boasts a unique landscape shaped by karst topography. Isolated peaks rising abruptly from the plains, winding rivers meandering through the land, deep and magical karst caves, and terraced fields stretching across the rolling hills. Each scene resembles a meticulously crafted work of art by nature herself. Here, you can drift downstream on a bamboo raft, watching the mountains and rivers unfold like a living scroll painting. You can step back in time, marveling at nature's masterful craftsmanship, or you can climb to the top of the terraced fields, overlooking the magnificent grandeur of agricultural civilization. But just how beautiful is Guilin's landscape? What other unique characteristics and charm does this city hold? In this episode, join Wanderworld as we take a virtual journey to Guilin, the unrivaled city of mountains and waters. Every story of Guilin begins with the breathtaking artistry of karst topography. Approximately 360 million years ago, this area was submerged beneath a vast ocean. Through eons of tectonic movements and water erosion, the present-day karst landscape gradually took shape. Isolated limestone peaks piercing the plains, meandering rivers, deep and enchanting caves, and undulating terraced fields together form Guilin's distinctive scenery characterized by clear mountains, beautiful waters, exotic caves, and unique rocks. Here, mountains and waters complement each other, while caves and rocks coexist harmoniously. Each view is as poetic and picturesque as a painting, evoking a sense of longing in every heart. The Li River is the mother river of Guilin, winding from north to south through the city. Stretching 164 kilometers, the river is adorned with countless magnificent natural landscapes along its banks, making it one of the most beautiful rivers in the world and the soul and essence of Guilin's scenery. Taking a cruise along the Li River is the perfect way to fully appreciate Guilin's landscapes. As the rugged peaks pass by on both sides and fishermen in traditional conical hats paddle their boats in the distance, creating ripples across the water, the Li River transforms into a vibrant gallery of landscape paintings. Every glance reveals nature's most generous and heartfelt brushstrokes. The banks of the Li River showcase typical karst landforms. The peaks on both sides display a stunning variety of shapes, some resembling riding brush racks, others like bamboo shoots, and still others like camels, each exuding an aura of spiritual vitality. Dawn is the most poetic time on the Li River. Morning mist shrouds the river like a thin veil, with the peaks on both sides appearing and disappearing in the mist, creating an otherworldly scene reminiscent of a fairyland. At the confluence of the Li River and Peach Blossom River stands Elephant Trunk Hill, the most iconic landmark of Guilin. Rising 55 meters above the water, this hill gets its name from its striking resemblance to an elephant standing by the river, dipping its long trunk into the water to drink. The trunk forms a natural, water-moon cave, with the main body of the hill, through which the river flows, creating the timeless wonder of Elephant Trunk Hill reflecting in the moonlit water, the most symbolic landscape of Guilin. As the sun slowly rises and the mist gradually dissipates, sunlight filters through the clouds, casting a golden glow on the river and illuminating the silhouette of Elephant Trunk Hill. The elephant trunk and its reflection in the water complement each other perfectly, as if the elephant is playfully interacting with its own shadow, creating a vivid and lifelike scene. With its extensive water network, Guilin offers not only the romantic moonlit scenes along its major rivers but also the gentle gurgling of water by its smaller streams. The Yulong River, Jade Dragon River, is the longest tributary of the Li River within Yangshuo County, stretching 43.5 kilometers. Its crystal-clear water flows gently, flanked by rolling hills and picturesque rural scenery, exuding an atmosphere of poetic tranquility. The emerald green river meanders past over 100 scenic spots along its banks, each preserving its natural simplicity and pure beauty, making it the essence of Li River scenery. Unlike the luxurious cruise ships on the Li River, the bamboo rafts on the Yulong River are manually propelled. Boatmen use bamboo poles to navigate the rafts slowly across the calm water, creating a leisurely and relaxed pace. As the rafts glide over the surface, they stir up tiny ripples, while the scenery on both banks slowly drifts backward, like a moving rural scroll painting. The manual bamboo raft experience on the Yulong River offers a sense of carefree seclusion in the countryside, making it an indispensable activity for experiencing Guilin's landscapes. While Guilin's mountains and waters are nature's gifts, the terraced fields are a miracle created by the hands of hardworking farmers. The Longji Terraces, Dragon's Backbone Terraces, located approximately 80 kilometers from Guilin's urban area, are among China's most famous terraced landscapes. First built over 600 years ago, these terraces stand as a testament to the wisdom and perseverance of the Zhuang people, who transformed the mountainous terrain into a masterpiece of agricultural engineering. The beauty of the Longji Terraces lies in their grandeur and orderliness. Built along the mountainsides, the terraces cascade in layers from the foot of the mountains to the summits, with an altitude ranging from 380 meters at the lowest point to 1,180 meters at the highest, creating a dramatic drop of 800 meters. The vast scale and imposing momentum of the terraces are truly awe-inspiring. Like a staircase ascending to the sky, the terraces feature elegant lines and neat arrangements, leaving visitors marveling at the wisdom and creativity of the local farming communities. Guilin's karst topography has not only shaped spectacular surface landscapes but also nurtured stunning underground caves. Reed Flute Cave, one of Guilin's most famous caves, is hailed as nature's art palace. Inside the cave, stalactites, stalagmites, stone pillars, and other formations display an incredible variety of shapes, looking so lifelike that visitors feel as if they have stepped into a magical underground realm. These stalactites have formed over thousands of years through water erosion and calcium carbonate deposition, creating extraordinary shapes and structures. The lighting inside the cave further enhances the magical atmosphere. Red, blue, green, and yellow lights illuminate the stalactites, casting a rainbow of colors and transforming the cave into a vibrant and enchanting wonderland. Guilin's beauty is the beauty of nature, the beauty of mountains and waters. Every scene is as poetic as a painting, and every moment is filled with warmth. Guilin's rivers will continue to flow, its cultural heritage will be passed down through generations, and its lively atmosphere will linger on forever. This city, renowned as the best landscape under heaven, has become a dream destination for countless people with its poetic charm and warm hospitality. Whether you are a traveler in search of natural beauty, an explorer eager to experience cultural history, or someone who enjoys the leisurely pace of daily life, you will find your own sense of poetic beauty and warmth in Guilin. Guilin, this thousand-year-old poetic scroll of mountains and waters, awaits your discovery and appreciation, inviting you to savor its beauty slowly and deeply.